These are not vehicles chosen for speed or efficiency. They are chosen for aura. Alongside them sit other elite marques like Bentley, Ferrari, and Aston Martin, forming a collection that rivals that of royalty and hedge fund titans. At this level of wealth, cars are not depreciating assets. They are extensions of identity. They appear in paparazzi photos, red carpet arrivals, and quiet driveway shots that circulate endlessly online. Every vehicle reinforces the same message: Jennifer Lopez doesn't just arrive, she makes an entrance.